Everyone, hope you are fine. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about how you can configure the Wi-Fi and hotspot in your device Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite and CE2 Lite 5G. So if in this device, if you want to configure the Wi-Fi or you want to configure the hotspot, you can do this by the few steps as I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now you have to follow the steps and watch the video, and you will learn how you can configure the Wi-Fi and hotspot in your device. Let's watch it.